उनके father, my great grandfather, was running a underground newspaper against Hitler.
You know, I thought I just became such a unlimited person. No? Like I didn't have boundaries anymore.
Please.
I'll sing a old song. Okay?
Using a and an correctly. Many people think that a and an are used based on the first letter of the next word, but it's actually about the sound of the word, not only the word. I mean, you can of course think that, okay, if it's a letter then this, but of course to understand it completely, it's majorly and mostly about the sound. The simple logic and rule being, use a before words that start with a consonant sound like B, C, D, F, G, H, etc. And use an before words that start with a vowel sound like A, E, I, O, U, right? It's the sound, not just the letter, that matters. And this is what you have to keep in mind. For example, if I say she's an honest person, I hope you can find the mistake. Okay, now if you look at the sentence, honest starts with letter H. So, keeping that understanding, we must use, A before it. But if we pronounce this word, which is honest, we don't pronounce it like honest. We pronounce it honest, or, which is, the vowel sound. Hence, we will say, she is an honest person. Yes? I'm carrying an umbrella. I'm carrying an umbrella. I need an pencil. I need a pencil, right? He is an artist. Again, he is an artist. I hope you're able to understand. Now let me give you some statements and you have to choose the correct option. She is an engineer or she is an engineer. Good job. She is an engineer. He ate an apple या फिर he ate an apple. He ate an apple. It is an honor to meet you or it is an honor to meet you. It is an honor to meet you, right? Well done. So I hope you understand where and how to use a and an. It's, about the sound that matters. Yes? Excellent.